Hey, good morning. It's Alex Robertson, Operations Section Chief for Portland NEMO. Today's June 28th, 416 fire operational briefing. We'll start on the north as usual. Things around Purgatory are stabilized and as they've been in the last couple days. A little bit of work still, continuing to finish up prep, but not a whole lot of action, really just monitoring and folks staying in place to make sure that everything's planned and good. As we move down the 550 corridor, a lot of the same actions as in the past. We have some presence. We have folks checking structures, making sure the fire line stays where it's at, and also ensuring that we're prepared if and when fire moves to the north. Through the south into Hermosa and Falls Creek, more of the same. We're still monitoring, patrolling, and making sure that our investment here on the southeast corner we keep that in check. As we move around, Division, Echo, Fox, and Gulf is status quo. We have folks out there preparing, looking, making sure that all systems are prepared and ready. Big action yesterday as we move into H as usual. Continuing our firing operations yesterday. Very challenging day for us. Southwest wind predicted. We had a lot of diurnal flow in these canyons that were challenging that southwest wind, and so our crews were having to battle wind coming up over the top of their line, throwing embers, a lot of spot fires on this hand line that folks, our 3 hotshot crews and our aviation assets worked really hard yesterday to keep that in check. Starting this morning, crews are out there right now. We have a number of spot fires on our line. They're not doing a whole lot, but we have ordered aviation assets, expect them to be up there shortly to help us keep that in check, and potentially even flying some fixed wing retardant in there to help us pre-treat the green and make sure that we keep that investment. That's going to be a very difficult piece of work today, and that's our focus area for the fire today. As we move up, we have some current IR, and that's what you're seeing on the map is the current infrared from last night, so we can see where our fire perimeter is, see where our heat is. This is our burnout. If all things hold here, we're going to continue to burn up the 171 road to tie all this together, and this will eventually all be within the fire area. You can see the fire growth from 2 days ago's burnout, and you can continue to see some of the growth, not a whole lot, but remember this is 2 days worth of fire growth just because we didn't get IR the night before last. Also a little bit of fire up in the Elk Creek drainage on the east side of the Hermosa. A couple things to remember. We're going to see more smoke. We continue to dry. We continue to have long hot days and wind and all those things, those factors that influence fire behavior. And as this fuel type dries out, especially at elevation, we're going to continue to produce smoke up here. We're going to continue to monitor it, make sure that it's not threatening any values at risk. But at the current time, we're not putting firefighters up into this rugged remote country for their safety. But we will continue to monitor the fire. You will continue to see smoke in the 550 corridor, especially at nighttime with inversions, probably blow out during the day and settle back in at night. And we should expect that for quite a while until we get some sort of weather change. With that, I'll end today's briefing. Hope everybody has a good day.